Motor Mind's YouTube script 2025 Tesla Cybertruck. The future is here. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck has finally hit the roads, and it's crazier, tougher, and smarter than ever before. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. But before we jump in, a quick request: many of you watch without subscribing. Support the channel by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon so you never miss an update. Now, let's get started. You can't mistake this for anything else on the road. The Cybertruck's stainless steel exoskeleton is as futuristic as ever, but Tesla has refined the design for better aerodynamics and durability. It still looks like a sci-fi battle tank, but now with improved proportions and sleeker edges. Plus, those armored glass windows. Tesla claims they're stronger than before. Let's just hope they don't crack during a live demo again. Now, let's talk power. The 2025 Cybertruck comes in 3 variants. Rear-wheel drive, a budget-friendly option with decent range and power. All-wheel drive, the sweet spot, offering around 600 horsepower and a 0 to 60 mph time of just 4.1 seconds. And then there's the Cyberbeast, the ultimate monster, packing over 845 horsepower and crushing 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds. That's supercar territory, wrapped in a truck. And let's not forget, this thing can tow up to 11,000 pounds. So whether you're hauling gear, boats, or even another Cybertruck, it's got you covered. Tesla is pushing boundaries with range as well. The Cybertruck offers up to 340 miles on a full charge, with fast charging capability adding around 128 miles in just 15 minutes. And with Tesla's ever-growing supercharger network, road trips just got a whole lot easier. Step inside, and the Cybertruck feels like a spaceship. A massive 18.5-inch center touchscreen controls everything, while a smaller 9.4-inch display keeps rear passengers in the loop. The yoke-style steering wheel is still here, but Tesla now offers a traditional round wheel option too. And, of course, full self-driving capability is built in, ready to take over whenever regulators allow it. Thinking of hitting the trails? The Cybertruck is built for adventure. With adaptive air suspension, 35-inch all-terrain tires, and up to 17 inches of ground clearance, this beast can handle anything from rocky trails to deep water crossings. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Cybertruck starts at around $60,990 for the base model, while the AWD version jumps to $79,990. And if you want the insane Cyberbeast, it'll cost you around $99,990. Orders are open, but with Tesla's infamous waiting lists, getting one might take a while. So, is the 2025 Cybertruck worth it? If you want a truck that looks like it's from the future, drives like a sports car, and can handle any terrain, then yes. But if you prefer a traditional pickup, this might not be your cup of tea. Either way, Tesla is changing the game, and we're here for it. What do you think about the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck? Is it the future of trucks, or is it just too wild? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic car content, only on Motor Minds. See you in the next one.